Check. Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to unban your Tinder account. Okay, first make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once connected, just simply open your web browser in your mobile device. And once you are here, just type in the URL address Tinder customer service. And once you are here, you will see options here, contact us, or you can submit a request. Just simply click this option so that it will proceed you directly to a submit a request. And here there's a drop down box here that you can select with your request. Just for example, here we need to choose Trouble with account login. And what's going on, just tap this drop down option, and since we want to unban our Tinder account, just choose this can't log in, my account was banned. And if you're going to scroll it down, there is a email address and phone number you need to enter associated with your Tinder account, as well as the description why your account was banned, or an explanation in detail why your account or Tinder account was banned. And also you can submit or attach a proof or a picture about your problem using this attachments option. And once you are done with this procedure or the information that we need or you need to submit, then you have to click this submit button and just wait for 3 to 7 business days for them to respond to your request. Okay, that's it guys. So now to unban your Tinder account in your mobile device. Okay, thank you for watching, and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.